Welcome to Dublin. I'm your host, Khadija Amari, and I'm exploring all the hidden gems of this popular Central Ohio city, from food to entertainment and everything in between.
Get your appetite ready because this month we're taking a culinary trip for authentic Turkish cuisine at Cafe Istanbul.
So come with me and let's explore all the things that only Dublin has to offer. For over 20 years, Cafe Istanbul has served some of the best Turkish and Mediterranean cuisine to its many satisfied customers. With multiple locations across Columbus, the Dublin location of Cafe Istanbul has a few differences that make it a delightfully unique experience that you can only find in Dublin. From its absolutely gorgeous year-round patio to the handcrafted cocktails made by a world-famous bartender, there's something here for every appetite. Hoş geldiniz, Columbus. Welcome. We're so glad you're here. I'm your host, Khadija Amari, and this is Only in Dublin. I'm here with Serdal Gunal, owner of Cafe Istanbul. So you offer truly authentic Turkish and Mediterranean dishes here. Can you tell us a little bit about the cuisine, your favorite dishes, and how Cafe Istanbul came to be?
We opened this restaurant 2012, April 27th.
Okay.
And we offer Mediterranean and then Turkish cuisine. Everything from the scratch, homemade dishes.
Oh, wow.
Fresh, and then we never use frozen product. My whole family, entire family, run a restaurant around the world. And then our most popular dishes over here were mixed grill kebab. The mixed grill kebab has 4 types of meats. It's called shish kebabs and chicken kebabs, Adana kebabs, and then doner kebabs. And then it's come with rice and vegetables. And then also we have really famous salad. It's called shepherd salad, which is like diced tomatoes, cucumber, onion, parsley.
And are these popular dishes in Turkey too?
It is really popular dishes in Turkey. And then this dressing is like the olive oil, like this Mediterranean, and then fresh is lemon juice. It's also healthy too.
Yeah, sounds really good. So your cocktails are expertly crafted by a renowned bartender. Can you tell us what makes them so unique?
Okay, and our cocktail is created one of the talented bartender in Turkey.
Yeah.
And we have 9 unique cocktail, which is he created like the different locations, and then all the different locations representative liqueur of the cocktail.
So what are some of the top locations of the cocktails?
Okay, like for example, one of them called 614 Columbus. Like there is like the watershed, the clove infused watershed vodka. And
so it's local.
Like, it's all local. And then the other one, let's say, because this is Turkish restaurant. One of them called Seven Hills Istanbul, like Turkish delight infused Kettleman vodka, and then we serve with Turkish delight.
That sounds really good. I can't wait to try it. Ooh, look how tender that is. You don't even need a knife.
There's a lot of flavor in it.
I feel like you don't even need to chew it. So good. I'm gonna remember that meal for a long time to come. With such a flavorful variety of options, it's no wonder that Cafe Istanbul has been serving up incredible dishes and experiences for over 20 years. Be sure to tune in next month to see more of the unique experiences that you can only find in Dublin. I'm your host, Khadija Amari. See you soon.